If you want to add and remove widgets or create your own personalized run screen on your Viper 4, this video will explain how to do it. In the bottom right hand corner, you have your gears with your boxes down here beside your house. Tap on there. Inside here, let's create a new layout page. We are going to hit the plus button. We will name it Redhead for today. Now that we have Redhead on there, if we hit the pencil and paper, we can now hit the plus button. Now we can pick a widget to put on the screen. This is our swath info. We'll pick another one here. You can drag them around wherever you want them. If you made a mistake and you wanted to get rid of one, if you tap on it once, you have the trash can, you can take it out of there. Then we can go back in and we can add another one like AccuBoom here. Once you're all done and satisfied with what you've added to your screen, hit your arrow back, and now you have your run screens laid out